Things were fine till they took you down and opened you up and passed you around. John was the first one to pull you down. Took one drink and he started to frown. Passed you the Hazel, Jane, and Jack. Penelope got you and passed you right back. The doorbell rang and what did you see? In walked Henry, Fred, and Marie. They hit you high, they hit you low, they hit you fast and they hit you slow. Whiskey on the shelf, you were so quiet there by yourself. Things were fine till they took you down, opened you up and passed you around.
As you can see, straight level flying just isn't Gordon's thing. He read hundreds of books on building planes over the years, found mentors, took welding, metalworking courses. In '74, he built himself a high-performance biplane, extended his garage 10 feet to get her done. He won the Keith Hopkins Award for Best Home Built in Canada. By '76, learning aerobatics. Won his first advanced contest. Between '79 and '88, barnstormed his way to first place in 7 Canadian national and open aerobatic competitions.
Without a doubt, he was next in line if the juice ran out. Whiskey on the shelf, you were so quiet there by yourself. Things were fine till they took you down, opened you up and passed you around.
And that wasn't enough. Gordon continued to modify the wings, the canopy, the fuselage, the wheels of these airplanes, and eventually started to produce his own line of aircraft kits called the 10-Dash series. In 1981, Gord established a factory in Guelph, Ontario, and founded Unlimited Aerobatics Limited. His redesigned concept morphed through several phases into the ultimate 10-300S super biplane, a one-of-a-kind aircraft built to look good, fly great, and win aerobatic comps.
Everybody, they got real tight. Now they want to start a fight. John never did nothing wrong in his life. Now he's in the corner with the policeman's wife. Frank's so drunk he can hardly see, trying to make love to Penelope. She took a bottle and hit him in the jaw. That's when the neighbors called the law. Whiskey on the shelf, you were so quiet there by yourself. Things were fine till they took you down, opened you up and passed you around.
So from those model airplanes as a young boy, to his early teens, learning to fly with the Royal Canadian Air Cadets, through a long career with the Canadian Armed Forces and the Royal Canadian Air Force, flying the Starfighter, the CF-104,